Tener. When do we use tener? A lot of Spanish expression with the verb tener and also a lot of use for this verb. And today you will know it. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Spanish with Dennis. The verb tener has a lot of meanings and also expressions. Today you will know it. The number one today expression of the verb tener is tener prisa. Tener prisa is to hurry up. Yo tengo mucha prisa. No quiero llegar tarde al trabajo. To hurry, when you do things fast and you need to do something fast and maybe you are late, you can say yo tengo prisa. The number two today is tener éxito, be successful. Tú tienes mucho éxito, tú todo lo has logrado. Tener éxito, to have success or to be successful. The number 3 today is tener derecho, like to have the right, or if I say you are right, tú tienes derecho a hablar. Yo tengo derecho a estudiar, to have the right. Tener vergüenza. Tener vergüenza is like to be ashamed. For example, yo tengo vergüenza de hablar contigo. O yo tengo vergüenza por lo que hice la semana pasada. To be ashamed. Be ashamed, to be shy in different contexts, guys. Okay? The number 5 today is tener en cuenta. Tener en cuenta is like to take into account. To take into account something. Yo tengo en cuenta tus palabras. Yo tengo en cuenta lo bueno que eres. Tener en cuenta. The next one is tener ganas de. Very interesting expression, guys. Yo tengo ganas de bailar. Tú tienes ganas de comer. Like when you really want to do something, you have the wish of do that thing. Yo tengo ganas. I would like to dance. I would like to eat. Yo tengo ganas de comer, de bailar. Remember about that. Yo tengo ganas. The next one is tener cuidado. Be careful. To be careful. Ten cuidado. Be careful. Ten mucho cuidado cuando cruzas la calle. Be careful when you cross the street. Tener presente. Tener presente is like to have present something. For example, yo tengo presente que mañana tenemos clase. Like you want to know that person that you didn't forget about that, about something, and you have this on your mind, on your head, like you didn't forget about that. Yo tengo presente que tengo que llamarte. And the next one is tener celos. Tener celos is to be jealous. To be jealous. Ese chico está celoso. Él tiene celos. Tú tienes celos porque tu chica habla con otro chico. Tener celos. And then we have tener confianza. Tener confianza. Tener confianza is like to trust. Yo te tengo confianza. Like I trust you. Tú tienes confianza conmigo. You trust me. You can share something with me or tell me something. Tener confianza. And then we have tener un lugar. It's like to have a place in the concert, in the plane, in the bus. Yo tengo un lugar en el avión. It means that I bought the tickets. Yo tengo un lugar en el concierto. It means that I have a seat, that I can go there and sit in that place. Tener lugar. Remember about that. Tener en mente. Tener en mente is like I have in my mind. So I will not forget about that. I have in my mind. I didn't forget. I will do it. I will buy it. Something like that. Yo tengo en mente que tengo que comprar este regalo para ti. And then we have tener familia. Tener familia. I have a family. Yo tengo una familia grande. The next one, tener dinero. Tener dinero. I have money. Tener dinero. The next one is tener frío. I have a cold. When it's cold weather for me and I'm frozen, yo tengo frío. Yo tengo frío. And what happens if it is the opposite? When we are talking that it's very hot for you. Very hot here. Yo tengo mucho calor. Tener calor is the next one. So if you go to Caribbean, mucho calor. Calor. And the next one is tener hambre. When you are hungry, you can say, yo tengo hambre. I am hungry. Tú tienes hambre. And what happens when you want to drink? Tener sed. Thirsty. Yo tengo mucha sed. I am very thirsty. Tú tienes mucha sed. Tener sed. And the next one is tener sueño. Very interesting and colloquial. Yo tengo mucho sueño. O yo tengo sueño. Tener sueño. It means that you really want to sleep. That you want to sleep very much. Maybe you are falling asleep and tú tienes sueños. El gatito tiene mucho sueño, for example. And the next one, tener miedo. El gatito tiene mucho miedo. Tener miedo is to be afraid. Yo tengo miedo. No quiero ver películas de terror. In fact, I like horror movies. So, tener miedo, to be afraid. And the next one is tener razón. Tener razón, to be right. You are right, tienes razón. I am right. Yo tengo razón, tener razón. And the next one is tener tiempo, to have time. Tú tienes tiempo para hacer tus tareas. Yo tengo tiempo para hacer este video. And then we have tener suerte, to be lucky. Tú tienes mucha suerte, tú ganaste la lotería. Tú tienes mucha suerte. Tener suerte, guys. Remember about that. Tener la culpa, to be guilty, to have the fault or something. It's your fault. Tú tienes la culpa. It's my fault. Yo tengo la culpa. Yo tengo la culpa. Tener la culpa. You need to write those down, guys, because we will do more than 30. Let's continue. You want more? Oh, guys, the next one are very colloquial, so you need to write down this because they are very colloquial. For example, tener la lengua larga. Tener la lengua larga is the person that is sharing your secrets. Don't need to speak about that, but you do it because tú tienes la lengua larga, long tongue. So the person that talks so much about things that he doesn't need to speak. For example, I share something with you and you share this with other person, tú tienes la lengua larga. Or the person that shares things that he doesn't have to say, guys. So you know that. The next one is no tener pelos en la lengua. This is interesting because pelos is hair, lengua is tongue. Means that this person talk without filter, like all he say, all he do, maybe bad words. But anyways, is talking about that. It means that this person talk without filter. The next one is tener la palabra. Tener la palabra is like when you tell to the person that you will do something. It's like to promise. Yo tengo tu palabra. Yo tengo tu palabra. When you promise someone that you will do this, you will not do it. Tú tienes la palabra, tener la palabra. The next one is tener corazón de piedra. It's understandable. It's the person that is cold. This kind of person that don't feel your pain, don't support you when you are sad. Maybe he doesn't care about that. And this is why corazón de piedra. The next one is tener buena estrella, is to be lucky. Estrella, if you are a winner of something or you have luck in a lot of things, you can say tú tienes buena estrella. And then we have no tiene ni pies ni cabeza. This expression, we use it when you say something, maybe something stupid, maybe something not understandable, maybe something silly, maybe something that doesn't make sense. This is the right. Doesn't make sense what you are telling me. And I say, no tiene ni pies ni cabeza lo que tú dijiste. And the next one is tener malas pulgas. Tener malas pulgas is to have a bad mood. If you have a bad mood, you can say, yo tengo malas pulgas. Tú tienes malas pulgas. It means that you are now in the mood that you don't want maybe to talk to someone. You are angry or something like that. And the next one is no tener la menor idea. No tener la menor idea is like doesn't have any idea of something. I don't have any idea. Like I don't know how to do it. I don't know what to say. I don't have any idea. No tener la menor idea. This expression we use it when we don't understand something or when we don't know how to do something. And then we have no tener nombre. Is the last one, guys. No tener nombre is the expression that we use when we are ashamed of something that we did or something that we said and we don't want to talk about that. We don't want to remember about that. Lo que dijiste ese día no tiene nombre. Maybe you don't want to remember about that. You are ashamed. And you can say, no tiene nombre lo que hice aquel día. Guys, you know more than 30 expressions now in Spanish with the verb tener. A lot of use for this verb. What we did today? I cannot even put in the screen all these options because they are so much. For example, what we did today? Tener prisa, tener éxito, tener derecho, tener vergüenza, tener en cuenta, tener ganas de, tener cuidado, tener presente, tener celos, tener confianza, tener lugar, tener en mente. And also we did the second part, what we did. Tener familia, tener dinero, tener frío, tener calor, tener hambre, tener sed, tener sueño, tener miedo, tener razón, tener tiempo, tener suerte, tener la culpa. Yes, the second part, interesting. A lot of expression, guys. I hope that you are writing down. And what we did in the third part, the most colloquial of all of them. Tener la lengua larga, no tener pelos en la lengua, tener palabra, tener corazón de piedra, tener buena estrella, no tener ni pies ni cabeza, tener malas pulgas, no tener la menor idea, no tener nombre. Woof, a lot of expression today, you know, here in Spanish with Dennis, guys. Let me know in the comments which one of them you knew. Maybe all of them. I will be happy to see your comments. And remember that if you know someone that is learning Spanish and you think this video can be useful for them, just share this video and like and subscribe for future content, guys. And I will give you two more for you, so you have more with the verb tener. Tener cariño, to give love to someone or love someone, tener cariño. And the last one, tener paciencia. Tener paciencia, to be patient. To be patient, guys. I am patient. Yo tengo paciencia. And today you know it. So, hasta la vista.